Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with Idefine here once again. This is the packaging as usual, so let's get into what exactly I got today. The first thing I'm seeing is the wig. Then there are actually some goodies. I got the information card as well as 2 pairs of wig caps. There's also another information card, and that's everything that came in the box. Now this is the gorgeous wig that we're working with today. Like, let me start out by saying how soft these curls are. It's actually a 8-inch 13x4 lace front Pixie cut curly wig. This is gonna be perfect for the summertime. Perfection. The luster on this hair, beautiful, and I actually like the cap construction itself. As you can see, this is how the inside looks. It has adjustable straps. It also has an extra elastic band, and this is the hair. It's really nice and full. I'll be sure to list the specifications so you can see the exact density and all of that. And if you want to check out the wig, the direct link will be down below. Literally, it was so easy to install. I actually just used a melting spray today. Of course, you have the option to go ahead and use glue if you want a more prolonged wear, but this is how it looks straight out of the box. Now you could go ahead and pluck this further if you wish to give more graduation in the hairline area. I went ahead and I cut off the excess around the ear portion to make it fit my head more comfortably, and then I cut away the excess lace. Super easy, super to the point, and then I laid the front with my melting spray.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
I then went in to show you guys a parting space that you actually have to work with. So if you want to switch that up and style it different ways, you totally can do that. And afterwards I pretty much just went in with some water. If you want, you could use a curling agent to just define the curls even more, but I feel like I wanted to keep the fluff. I didn't want the curls to get weighed down at all. I really like the fluff, so I just used water to kind of redefine the curls, and that was all it was to it. I ran through the curls with my Denman brush and, you know, redefined everything, but that's it. Super straightforward.
No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
This is the final look, guys. Super cute, and as I said, very convenient for the summertime. You don't have to be worrying about any hair on your shoulders, you know, none of that, but still look cute at the same time. As I said, all the information is listed down below. Shout out to Idefine once more for today's gorgeous wig look. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.